How to set up and use the user profiles on your Hyundai vehicle. So there are a few different ways to access the user profiles after your vehicle is running. First, you can go ahead and click the guest or user icon up in the corner on the home screen. That'll bring you to the user profile settings menu. Now you can also access this menu by going to setup and selecting user profile on the menu. And it'll give you an option to set up driver 1, driver 2, and also the guest menu. So if you've never set up your driver profile before, you'll see a starting first run setup. This will take only a few minutes and needs to be done while the vehicle is in park. So you can follow the on-screen instructions to select your language, keyboard, map, and user profile name settings. And after this is complete, you can change further profile settings by clicking Profile Settings. This lets you change your profile image, link a Bluelink account, link any Bluetooth devices, or link a digital key from a compatible smartphone. So some of the other functionality of the user profiles here in this 2022 Sonata Limited is that it also saves your radio presets, your climate control settings, your seating position, as well as where your mirrors are currently set to. Now I believe the seating position and mirror position are linked to the driver door memory settings, so you first need to set those on the driver for the memory 1 or memory 2, and then it will also be linked to the user profile 1 or user profile 2. So the user profiles are great if you have more than one person using the vehicle simultaneously. So all you need to do is get in, start the vehicle, hit your user profile, and everything should be adjusted to where you last had it. Now, unfortunately, I don't believe you can link the physical key to start the vehicle to the user profile, which is something that is actually available on other makes and models. But hopefully Hyundai can implement this in the future, either via a software update or on future models to make the convenience even greater. So hopefully you found this video helpful in using the user profiles on your Hyundai vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, leave those all in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content and checking out the content that is currently available. And with all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next one.